Hi guys, today I am going to be showing you some Indian character artwork for Grand Theft Auto 5 that I created with the help of AI. I have always been a big fan of GTA series and I was really excited to see what I could create using AI. I used the Leonardo AI tool to create the artwork for GTA. First, I used text to image generator to create some basic images of the characters, and then I used editing program inbuilt to refine the images and adding details. I also used AI powered upscaler to make the images larger and more detailed. I created a few different Indian characters, include male and female characters. I am really happy with how the artwork turned out. I think the characters looks really cool and realistic. I am also impressed with how good the AI tools are at creating this type of artwork. I am excited to see what else I can create with AI in the future. And I am curious to see how AI is used to create video games in the future. I think it's possible that AI could be used to create games with more realistic and immersive worlds. Who knows? Thanks, friend.